We got a big day here at Island Lumber.
We do have a big day, Customer Appreciation Day.
Yeah.
Vendors and demonstrations, sales.
Is this something that you like to do every year?
This is something that we have tried to do every year, but that we plan on doing on more of a regular basis. Maybe monthly or bi-monthly if possible.
Right. So it gives a chance to get some of these vendors out here, is that right?
Exactly, as well as meet and spend some time with our customers and show our appreciation, as well as help them with any issues they may have, or
That's the thing about Island
product
Lumber.
knowledge.
Ever since, I mean, I actually bought my windows for my house in Maine from you, and
We have supplied quite a few jobs in Maine.
the pricing was
So,
as good, if not better, than anywhere else, so why wouldn't I do that?
and actually as far south as Key West.
You're kidding me.
Well, we've supplied windows. We've supplied full homes down in, I believe it's North Carolina.
So if somebody is building somewhere else, you say, come on in and let us give you a shot? Is that kind of the way it works?
If it works for them, it works for us. We're
Yeah.
happy to do what we can to help. And occasionally they want to keep some of the quality or charm that you can only purchase in the Northeast, or that we offer.
That's a good
we're
point.
happy to sell that.
Yeah.
Or to ship it.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is the only local. I mean, how is competing with the big guy down the street? I mean, this is a local company.
This is a local company. We don't consider them to be a competitor. Hopefully they're a friend. I believe we're the only locally owned and operated lumberyard on the island, or building supply dealer. We've been in business since 1965, and just try to continue serving the island, supporting the island, the local people, as well as the people who come for the summer.
And who started it?
Vacations.
Who started Island Lumber?
This was started by my father and 4 partners back in 1965.
Is that right?
It was the Old Island Service Company, which was on Straight Wharf, which housed back then everything from appliances, coal, ice, all the building materials, paints, tools, marine supplies, pretty much a one-stop.
That was on the wharf?
That was on the wharf. It was on Commercial Wharf. They had a feed, a granary, and the actual buildings were where the A&P parking lot is today. We moved the storefront. Our storefront here is the original storefront from the main hardware store and offices at Island Service.
Oh, okay. And then decided to change the name?
Changed the name because the previous owners wanted to possibly continue using it for other entities,
Oh, I get you.
which I don't believe ended up happening.
So when you guys moved out here, it was kind of quiet out in this
It was
part of the...
very quiet, and we try to maintain that. We try not to grow too large or impact the island adversely if we can.
Right.
Yeah, we just try to maintain what we have and hopefully offer good service.
That's what you definitely are known for. And speaking of that, you've got that lawn and garden center back there now.
We do.
How's that going? That thing's huge.
That's incredible, and we opened it with the idea of trying to keep the island, help the island to become more green. We try to keep all environmentally friendly products as much as we can. I would say front to back this business, including the existing lumber and hardware business, we're somewhere around 98.5% earth friendly.
That's
green.
Cool. Man, that's the way to go, isn't it?
Right.
I mean, that is the future.
That's what we hope is the future.
I think it's coming.
We shy from a lot of the manufactured products that could possibly cause health risks down the road.
Yep.
That so many of these new houses are built with. We do everything we can to steer people away from those and use other.
Cool. Well, I'm going to head out there and see the guys and see
Okay.
who you got out there.
Well, thank you for coming by.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Thanks,
Good.
Butch.
All right.
Hi, Gina.
Buddy, what's going on here at Island Lumber?
Yes, big stuff today. There's a Customer Appreciation Day. We have our Bosch rep, our Friday rep, our grip
Yeah.
rack rep, and also some serving lunch to our customer here. So
God, what a place this
great,
Island
man.
Lumber
It's
is,
a
huh?
place.
And
It's
who's
great.
this gentleman?
This is Tim from Fried.
How you doing?
It's Tim?
Yep.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
So what's your job?
My job is here just showing some Diablo and Freud products.
Tell me about
We
it.
have some great specials.
Let's do it. Tell
Let's
me
do it.
what's great about what are they anyway?
What are they? They're saw blades. Premium
Okay.
saw blades.
Yeah. Where are they made?
They're made in Italy. Everything's made in Udine, Italy.
Is that right?
That is right.
Why are they so good? Why?
Well, there's a lot of components that go into this product. A lot of technology that a lot of the other manufacturers don't have. We just make saw blades. We don't make power tools. So we're very specified in what we do. We make our own carbide. Very application specific. Got some demos ready to roll if you want to see
I'd
something.
love to.
Excellent.
Okay, hang on for a second. Let me just grab a quick shot of this. Diablo, huh? Okay, yeah.
And I'm sorry, what's your name?
I'm Gino. I
Gino.
own a local TV channel here.
Gino, good to meet
It's
you.
good to meet you.
What we're doing here,
Yeah.
this is what we call our nasty sandwich, Gino.
Yeah.
Because it is nasty. We got
Wow.
a 2x6 here, 2 layers of asphalt, shingles, flashing, lag bolts, nails. Just gonna cruise through here a couple times, all right?
Okay.
You ready?
Sure. That is amazing. Look at
So this is the premier demolition blade out in the market, right here.
It is.
We've already made a couple passes, just made 2 more. No teeth are thrown here.
this. None.
Again, we have a different blend of carbide here. The tooth is set back in the plate body. It's gonna outperform any other blade on the market. We stand behind it 100%.
Is that okay? Well,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
good to know. So what do
Yes.
you do? You go around and just do these demos all over?
Yeah, I cover southern New England.
Southern New England?
I get paid to travel around, cut things up. It's not a bad gig.
Good for you.
Yeah,
Well, so if people want to get a Diablo blade, come to Island Lumber and get
Absolutely.
it. This is the place.
today until 3 o'clock, we got some great deals.
But they have them here anyway.
They do, full
Okay.
selection.